Josine Hlabana Jonjonde 2024 sa rapper amapa zakalo mukela hip hop X food for third person and tishela I bring a drop it I take it back to the basic kick my roots man funa iqiniso vela niniboshe inyani mina kuma tracks up ngistate ama fact ngithethe inyani so mokahla kumina kunukusikilidi ngiyaceciphe mi into thangihuqela ubala ngisonkhozela ibhode esuke selinyelile ikhanda lami lithathi kahle basalina zonda futhi angiphemile so angeze ukurelax ngisasa busy ngatasadas ngilo nokupha ngipha amaphupho nami ngidream chaser mone pace to the feel kid the trying to do confessor ngesikhathi semsakazweni angaze ngimkhonze no professor still pending izinto zami sa process abanye bakufisela ukuthi bathi izinto zami ngathi ngasasesa abanye bafaka ama opinion bathi ngeke ngiphumelele bayagesa ngifuna baphoxeke bahambe kancane njengehesa ngagive up ngiphela imoya so phela mhla sengafa kudala ngaqala ngiheba kule journey ngijulile manje amthufa uwani useduze makuthetha ubhek number landela esedeni uthufa I greet you from distance I'll be like hi far I'm old school lokuphi ngidlala icassette kwi hi-fi kudala ngaqala ngishaya ama apps ningi ngasi ngisana no Tupac sengaba notorious senjimile I'm not a lover I'm a fighter njengo Brock lezinama ngene ringini yebhekle mina ikhono ngiyaliveza lawa mangitshetshe malanza abantu songidliwa unembeza le industry kunzima akusiniswa mahleza kumele ube dope ekapa basithi ndegeza I speak the illest line better read between the lines ngibhala ama lines figurative I use different forms of speech ama similes nama metaphors njengomele amathuli speech deliver mine engaso momesa nami ngizokwenza pizo kwenyanga ka December ezamino dlama noma zihla zakawula ngenacelemba kudala ngikudla mina njengemode usikehlemba mahitha ngiyakhinya okweside nama scratch special big strong punches as if he's taking out the trash ngafunga bengisari has people start my track from the scratch uflexible umqondo wami ngiyonweba ngushayisa stretch when I less service snack njengothisha base crutch I always cook up the new stuff pleasant deliver in the fresh in SA Catalan wena ungangijaja uyena uDJ Fresh awuyona magistrate so who are you to judge me angase ngathumela umuntu ophuza ama behavior spotting song ngakelo manguhlasayela nguto losinguzwisa itest ukuthi umhlaba uyahlaba utshelwa mina vele umfana wasemakhaya yile nhlobo ebridge ipheletu kade kasangikhokha mefa what the fuck understand lo mjito claim ukuthi ingane we've never caught you having sex asikaza sithola uhlengu umhlaba nomfutho ihi njengama backings ngahlenge umhlaba my fans be like spend the shit babo rap into yomhlaba